Introducing the luxurious diesel automatic estate with a plethora of features for ultimate comfort, safety, and style. From satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today or visit audicarry.e for more information. Drive in style, comfort, and safety with this amazing vehicle.